yesterday we've got a really nice price action, because what we have done is we have found support right at the golden pocket, which basically I told you yesterday that this is the support level. And guess what? We have found support there and bounced for very nice profits for 3.8%. So that is really nice. And guess where we found a resistance also, where I said where's the resistance. So yeah, exactly as predicted, we have found resistance at the middle of the channel. We had a failed auction, price basically swing failing these highs and coming back inside of this smaller channel. So yeah, I showed you these levels, and if you've been listening, then congrats. And if you didn't, then let's listen to me today. So what do I have? Which levels do I have for today? Well, very simply, I'll keep it very short and sweet. So first of all, what I want to show you is the daily levels, which are important for today. So first of all, what is the context? The context is that we are building higher lows. So we made a low, then a higher low. As you can see, it is higher by a few dollars. So basically, technically, it is a higher low. Then again, a higher low. And I wouldn't say that this is a higher low because we didn't make a higher high. But as you can see, we have been making basically higher lows and higher highs. And yeah, after this rejection, I wouldn't say that this is a higher low. So the context is that maybe it is the current low, maybe for some time. Well, I don't really like that we didn't take this low. I really would like to take this low and then go up, then reverse, then we have liquidations at this price. But nonetheless, let's see what we are doing right now. We are moving to the upside with bullish divergences, CVD divergences. So that is really important. That gives to me a very nice head up to the price action. And let's see where we can find support right now. Very simply, if we take our Fibonacci retracement and pull it basically from this low to the high, what you can see is that we have obviously Fibonacci golden pocket right here, and it looks like we are finding some support here. But this level is not as important as another one. What is important for me is the previous day value area low and 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Why it is more important to me? Just because it is lining up really well. And we have this low, which could be swing failured again. And then we can reverse to the upside. As you can see, this Fibonacci golden pocket has been touched already, and we didn't make a higher high. Right here, locally, we are making a bearish market structure. Obviously, it can be invalidated in a few minutes, in a second. Bitcoin price can go up, and yeah, that would be a higher high. But once we are making these lower lows, lower highs, local bearish market structure, I will look to long this level. This is an interesting level. It is also interesting just because we have a middle of the channel right here. You can see that we had a really nice respect from it right here. So yeah, it is very important to me. And also, what do we have is the daily level right here also. So that is another confluence to this level and why it is interesting to me. I really would love to see bullish divergences forming right here. That would be a really nice signal to me to buy. And right now, let's look for a resistance where we could find it. So very simply, what I'm looking right now at is obviously the middle of the channel. The range high would be is still a resistance because we are just in a range. As you can see, we have a bigger range and a smaller range. And honestly, in this smaller range, it is a little bit cluttery. We have another range, which you could see just like that from daily level. As you can see, we have another channel. We have a very nice respect of the highs, lows, high, obviously big deviation, but back inside again, low, partial rise, low, deviation, high reaction, then we are breaking it back inside. So you can see that this range is also very respected, and yeah, it is also a one thing to be aware of. So let's get back to the resistance. Very simply, we have our range high, and another resistance is the high right here. Why it is also an interesting level for me? Just because, again, we have this high, which could be swing failed, and we have 7.5 Fibonacci. So this is a zone of resistance also, because we have a consolidation right here, and as you can see, we have point of control right here. So this is already 3 confluences, point of control, Fibonacci, this high wick, an idea of swing failuring this high. So yeah, this is the resistance, and if we'll break it, if we'll still make our higher lows, higher highs, then I will look for this monthly level and basically range high. That would be this big range, as you can see from, maybe I could say from this daily level to the monthly. As you can see, we had a really nice SR, support, broken, resistance, went down. So yeah, that is it for today. I really hope that you liked my technical analysis, and if you did, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah, have a brilliant day everyone, see you later, and bye.